Everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you two different rainbow loom bracelets that you can do. Let's begin. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make the simple loom. So it's actually a really easy rainbow loom design to do. All you need to do, you grab your loom. Then you choose two rainbow loom colors of your choice. To start it off, you just need to do a figure 8 like that around the two pole things that are sticking out. Then you do one like that. You don't, in most rainbow loom bracelets, you need 3, but in this one, I believe you only need 2. So you just lift them over until you think it's going to fit you, and then you just see if it fits you. Whatever. So I think I'm just going to speed ahead this video so you guys don't need to watch me do this all. I just finished doing the rainbow loom, so now I'm just going to show you how you take it off. So you take one end, and then you take the other. And it's fine if a few fell off. Just make sure your whole bracelet does not fall apart. So now you're going to take your S loom or C loom or whatever, and you're just going to, I like going like this, spreading 2 fingers like this. Then it's just easy to put it on. Then you flip it to the other side. Then you do the same. The second side's usually harder. There you go, you just finished your first rainbow loom, the simple loom. So now I'm just going to be showing you how to do the fishtail. Now I'm going to be showing you how to do the fishtail. So it actually, none of the rainbow loom designs are actually not that hard once you learn them. So you're going to take your loom again, and almost every rainbow loom bracelet starts with a figure 8. Then instead of only having 2, you have 3. So instead of lifting up 1, you lift up 2. Just like that. This is one of my favorite ones to do, but I tend to do this one more now. But I used to do this one all the time. It might look like it's stuck like this, but I don't think it actually is sometimes. Sometimes it might be stuck, but you can always go back and fix that later. Yeah. So I'll start to form this square pattern. Yeah, I definitely messed something up, but that's totally okay. Okay, so I just finished looming it. So you're going to be doing the same thing as the last one. Okay, you're done all your rainbow looms. I really hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial of how to make these. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.